Good morning, students. Welcome to our English literature classes. And as you all know, we are very near to end of this lesson number 4. And this is kind of a real story or incident that is written by Tara Gandhi. So please open the page of your textbook, that is page number 56. So shall we start? Before I start, I request you to read this whole page properly. Now we are starting the illustration. So here the narrator tells us that after a hard climbing, they have reached to the top of the summit, and in the given para there is a unique and beautiful illustration of the dawn time, and she hold us uh, for the story, and trying to tell uh, all to that is the sky was just looking like a kaleidoscope. In this para she is just telling us that the sky is just looking like a kaleidoscope, and kaleidoscope is a new word for you, and in your book here is a meaning also you have. So what is the meaning? As you can see here, a design with pattern that keep changing, and I will show you uh, what is the kaleidoscope after a few moments. So students, here she was just showing us that the sky was full of different colors, just like a kaleidoscope. I will show you the that what is the kaleidoscope in the last of in my lesson. So that actually a kind of a toy actually. Okay, so all over the contrast of the colors were spreaded, that was very soft blue to very vivid, sharp, glossy, high in color orange. Okay, and besides this, in the east the sun was peeking from the where distant mountain. Okay, so when she was totally lost in all this view, mesmerized, that is fascinating someone. Okay, so then somebody just touched her back, her shoulder, to remind her to not to miss the scene that was emerged in her backside, opposite side. So she was immediately turned, and she saw a tremendous scene in a western part of the sky, and this was a huge shadow of this mountain, and it was a perfect triangle, and I will show you the picture of this place. This is the shadow you can see here. This is not a mountain, this is a shadow. Okay, in Adams Peak. This is in the night, as you can see in our book also, and this is also you have a kind of same picture in our book. So it is looks like a just looks like someone projected what in a huge sky, and it was looking formed with the cloud and mist. What is mist actually? That is called fog, haze in the west side of the mountains. So students, what was that was the shadow of the Adams Peak mountain, and our narrator said that she was standing uh, on a very mountain. What is the meaning of very here? That is huge, a kind of vast mountain. And slowly this view would be disappear, because when the sun go higher, the scene will be dissolved. As you can see, this is haze all, and that means this scene emerged only for a short moment. And there is a word fleeting, you can see here, fleeting. This is meaning of fleeting is for a very short timing, happening for a very short timing. So this is all about this para, and as I promise you, I'm going to show you what is called the kaleidoscope. So students, this is it is called kaleidoscope. You can see just like this, okay, this one. And this is a toy that is consisting of a tube, as you can see here, a tube kind of, and connecting a mirror and a piece of small colored glasses, whose reflection produce changing pattern, and just like this, and that are visible through and eye hole. What is eye hole? This one, the eye hole. This is the eye hole, okay. And this is kind of pattern, and when we just turn the tube, rotate the tube, so this kind of pattern we can have there, okay. So I hope this is all clear to you. More in my next video. Thank you.